Good morning. Really enjoying life. Everything I got from HomeSense. I have been reading on my iPad. What book takes my fancy? I'm just getting ready to go for a run. Lunch. My hikers. We're gonna go to HomeSense. This is probably my favourite thing we got. Failure to match. Look how cute that is. I'm gonna read that for a bit. Blanket box. Thursday. I'm just getting ready to go for a run. You're on my new camera. It is 9:15. This morning I had a client 7:15 till 8. I made breakfast. You will have already seen all of that. Yeah, I'm going on a run. I haven't run in like 2 weeks because I had a cold and it was a whole mess. Today is my first day back. My hair isn't long enough to go all up in a pony, so it's a good thing I got hats. I'm also gonna wear my new shocks. I got these the other day and I've only worn them on one run because then I had a break. So I'm excited to wear these again. Basically, I've got the rest of the day off. My plan is to clean the flat. I need to go to HomeSense. Want to kind of go and see if there's anything like autumnal. I don't know, I'm just feeling like today would be a cute spend the day with me. Do you get what I mean? How do I get these to connect? I'm also like embarking on a little fat loss journey just because I've just been enjoying life a little bit too much recently, which is so fun. You know, we enjoy life, we love life, but there gets to the point where I'm like, okay, maybe Rose, we need to chill out on the whole life enjoying. Are they dead? I don't understand what's going on. Why aren't you turning on? Yeah, I've just been like really enjoying life, which is so fine. We really do enjoy life, but I feel like it's gotten to the point where I've enjoyed life a little bit too much and now I'm feeling a little bit So yeah, the plan is to goal for myself. I don't want to talk about it too much because I don't want to trigger anyone and I know how triggering it can be. So please don't feel like you need to lose weight ever. This is just my thing. But yeah, I'm gonna go on my run. I am procrastinating. But I thought I'd say hi. Obviously once I'm back from my run and everything, we can kind of fully catch up. I need to tell you about my books I'm reading. Let me show you the outfit. I'm gonna change this, I think, into black shorts, pure sport socks. Need to clean the mirror, need to hoover today. Oh, Gymshark hat. Gymshark. I will be back. Is it raining? It's raining. Cool. Cool. I'm home. Put my light on because it's really gloomy out today. But it's only on one side and also the flat's a tip. But we're gonna get ready. I guess I can put you there. The thing I find like most annoying about running is that it just never gets easier. You get better, it does not get easier. I did 4k. Nope, I did 6. I did 6.4k and it was fine. This camera is telling me my glasses are so dirty. Yeah, it was fine. It just wasn't fun. Like, I just didn't get into a rhythm. I didn't film any of it because I just couldn't be bothered to faff around with my phone. I'm gonna get ready and then I'll be back. I think that makes more sense. So, plan of action for the day. Put perfume on, number 1. We're gonna go for Zara Nude Bouquet because it's the first one. Here! So, plan of action. I'm gonna quickly clean the flat. Just do a really quick, like 30-minute blitz. Realistically, it's gonna take a lot longer than that, but I'm gonna tell myself 30 minutes. There's a lot of the thing is, I clean the flat every single day and it gets dirtier and dirtier every single day. I don't really know how this works. Either way, gonna clean that. Then we're gonna go into town. I need to go pick up my other phone that I accidentally left at the gym. Am I even recording? I'm then gonna go to Boots to get cotton ball pads. I'm then gonna go to this shop called All Over the World, or All Over the Place, or All Over something, which has just some really cute like homeware stuff. And they have this like cotton ball pad holder. And I don't know why, I've just really been thinking about it. So I'm gonna go get it. Fred and I are doing an IKEA shop soon to get more storage bits because our flat is just not thriving on the storage front. Then I'm gonna go to Waterstones and see what book takes my fancy. I need to update you on my reading. She's become a reader girl. And then we are going out for a walk with my very good friend Chloe. I just call her either Sea Dog or Chloe Dog. Then when Fred's home, we're gonna go to HomeSense. The rest is history. HomeSense will be what HomeSense is, you know? HomeSense, I've got no control over what HomeSense decides to give me. But to start off, let me clean the kitchen, and I'm going to listen to some music and specifically Glee, because I don't know what has happened to me over the last like 2-3 weeks. All I listen to is Glee. Alexa. It has been a while. I tried to hang up the laundry. This is our duvet cover. Honestly, I'm out of breath. Bedsheet and pillows, t-shirts. Honestly, I've been around the whole freaking flat trying to do this. It's almost 12. This whole, I'm gonna go to the shops is, I'm meeting my friend at 12:30, so that's a big fat no, but we all knew that was gonna happen because I always think cleaning is gonna take me 5 minutes. Then it takes me literally 4 hours. So I'm gonna make the bed because, yep, we haven't made the bed either. And then I'm gonna eat lunch and then go meet Chloe. I was gonna wear this skirt, but I'm gonna chafe like no other. So I'm not gonna wear this skirt. I'm gonna be clever. I'm very excited for my lunch though. I've been having the same sort of lunch for a couple of days and I'm loving it. It's good on the veggies. With this whole like fat loss thing I'm trying to do, I'm trying to eat a little bit more veg, and also I just realised I don't eat veg and my mum would not be impressed with that, so I've got to eat my veg. I do have to say, cleaning in a skirt it's a challenge, I can't lie. So lunch, been loving the Warburton's protein power bread. There's 16 grams of protein per 2 slices. Ain't bad. Then I'm gonna have, I need a bowl and a chopping board. I've got to be there in about 20 minutes. So yeah, I am definitely in a rush. I honestly don't know if I will ever get over the smell of tuna. Like, that is something else. Tuna. So some cucumber. My aim is to kind of get as many veggies in as I can at lunch, just because Fred, bless his little cotton socks, is not the biggest fan of veg. He did say this morning though, he's gonna try. Like tonight we're gonna have roasted veg with steak for dinner. And because I haven't been eating any vegetables, my plan is to eat more at lunch. So then regardless of if we have a less veg heavy dinner, I've still got some in my lunch. So tomatoes, cucumber, tuna, some chickpeas. Again, chickpeas, can't stand the smell, but you know, we move. And then lastly, I genuinely think this is what makes it, the sweet corn. I absolutely love sweet corn. Some mayo. Then I just use a spoon to mix her all up. But it's lots of veggies. We've got one, wait, is chickpea a veggie? Surely. Well, it's not, well, yeah. Well, it's not gonna be meat, is it? Chickpeas, sweet corn, cucumber, tomatoes. I normally add salt and pepper too. Right, that will do. I'm gonna very, very quickly eat this. Oh my gosh, almost dropped. Very quickly eat this, then we will head out on our walk. We're off. I literally am unbelievably full. So me and my t-shirt are gonna be best friends because I'm 6 months food baby pregnant here. Cold print store. We are Tala Mahokers because I'm not gonna lie, ladies, I'm having feet problems. Genuinely, my shoes just seem to be giving me either arch problems or just problems. I'm just getting problems with my feet. So the Hokers, I mean, they're cute anyway, but also they are fully for functional purposes. Gonna go see Miss Clay Dog and yap, chat, away. We went walkies. I'm now going back to the gym because my manager needs my passport. Raincoat on because sis forgot a raincoat and sis is now soaking wet. And then I'm also going to grab my headphones. We're going to go shopping. Like I said, we need to go to Boots all over the place, world place, and just like go do girly things. And then when Fred's home, I'm going to read after that. Then when Fred's home, we will head over to HomeSense. My legs are like killing me now. I've done 24,000 steps. Well, that would make sense. It's raining. I don't know if you can tell, but it is raining and I love listening to the rain. I would put the telly on, but we're working with a fork right now to try and freaking dry the duvet cover. Right, we're just gonna have to work with that. I've been reading on my iPad for a while now, since I finished Akatar, which that series was unspeakably amazing. Like, I can't even describe that series. It did ruin me. It is by far the best thing I've ever read. I have been reading on my iPad. I decorated it the other day. I posted a reel about this, but I decorated my iPad the other day. I love it. I think it's so cute. And obviously I'm reading on my Kindle app. I do wish I had a Kindle because this is big, but also, I don't know. So I've been reading. Let me talk you through what I've been reading. So I have recently read Icebreaker. No. I read Behind the Net, I've read Twisted Love, I want to read all 4, but Twisted Love I've read, and then I've recently finished Failure to Match. Such a good book, such a good book. And now I'm reading the one before that, so Failure to Match is number 2. A Deal with the Bossy Devil is number 1. So they're both pretty similar. I recommend obviously reading book 1 then book 2. But that's what I'm going to read now. I'm 10% through. I'm 42 pages in. I'm going to read that for a bit. But I've just really been enjoying my reading. Like, comfortable and comforting and just so cozy. So I'm going to read that, wait for Fred to get home, let Fred do his stuff, and then we'll go to HomeSense. I'm also hungry again, so I might have a little snack as well. But I've got my cup of tea. It just is cup of tea weather. Do you get what I mean? Going to HomeSense. We're going to HomeSense.
Have you got it?
Wait, I've got cash. This is exactly what I need, just way smaller. Look how cute that is. Is that not so cute?
It is, but it's the middle of July.
Yeah, but that can go on the bed. Can you get it, please? Can you hold it? Sorry. I think that is gorgeous. I want a blanket basket. I like this one. Hi. It is the next day. I thought I would take you through everything I got from HomeSense. So, starting off, because this just broke on me, so I had a bit of a panic. We've got this little suction holder thing, which I'm thinking is going to go above the sink to put like the cleaning product in, so then they don't make a massive puddle on the countertop. Who is messaging me? I then got a little fruit basket. I don't know whether this should go up like here. No, it's too big, so it's gonna go up on the freezer. I got my friend Daisy a pumpkin candle for her birthday because she loves autumn just as much as me. Probably not as much as me, but she likes autumn and she liked this candle, so I bought her one of them. We got a coat hanger for the door because We have way too many coats and we're gonna put this in the bedroom. We basically were going to try and find more storage bits, so that was the vibe. I don't really know how much I filmed because I was a little bit excited, to be honest. We got a little foot bath rug and it's a little toad and I think it's so unbelievably cute because we only have one and we don't wash it enough as much as we should, I don't think, personally. Thought we should get another one, and I was gonna go boring, and then Fred actually was the one who was like, should we not get something a bit more fun? And I was like, yes we should. So we did. This I freaking love. It was only £15. I want to see how big it is. I mean, I think it's unbelievably gorgeous. I literally, like, we don't even need any more blankies, but I just thought this was too beautiful to let go of. She's so cute as well. I just think it's like the most adorable colourway. I just think it's so perfect. This is probably my favourite thing we got. This little cushion, it was, again, £15. I think it's unbelievably gorgeous. I think it's so cute, so cosy. Have like this on the bed, and then come literally August, because that's when I'm gonna decorate for autumn, I'll have this side out. I think it's so cute, like it's so, this is all furry and then it's just printed on. I think it's so adorable. We then got a little dish rack because ours has gone rusty because it's plastic and metal, whereas Joseph is this is stainless steel, I'm pretty sure. But my mum has a Joseph thing and my mum-in-law has a Joseph dish rack, so I felt like being, you know, the descendant. Is that the right word? I felt like it should come down generations. I then got one of the Tree Hut. They've got Tree Hut at McDonald's? HomeSense. So I got one of the vitamin C sheer sugar scrub because frankly I'm hoping this will get my tan off. I use the Soap and Glory Scrub of Your Life one at the moment. It's not that bad. I did used to have the Rose and Caramel Tan Remover, but that literally like would burn my skin. So I'm hoping this is a good alternative. And also this is just so like TikTok coded to have this. So I'm honestly so excited to use this. We then got hangers because, as you all know, we hang all of our clothes up around the eaves to dry, and we have really run out, and we ran out ages ago, so we got some hangers. Then we got this for the bathroom to go by the shower. I'm actually really excited for this. I'm gonna organise the one that's already by the sink and just put cleaning products in there and then put everything else in here, because our bathroom is fine, but it just like, we just have everything around the floor and it really annoys me. So that was for that. We got this massive blanket box, which is gonna be for the blankies because they're all just piled up. Honestly, the aim of our trip was to just like find as much as we could to get stuff off the floor because it is really, really annoying. I thought I'd also, show you what I got yesterday when I went shopping on my own before HomeSense. The place is called Sostrine Greens. So I got this, which is going to go underneath my desk to put all my journals in and like extra little filming equipment, because I always just like either alternate it between my desk or put it up here. So I thought if this goes underneath my desk, that will work. I got, this is a cotton ball pad holder. They'll go in there. And then I also cotton bud holder. Got some foot cream because my feet get really dry. And then some more cotton ball pad. So that is everything I got. It was quite a shoppy day yesterday, but I'm excited. I'm gonna film putting it all together and then I'll probably end this vlog because it's a little bit long, isn't it? A little bit long. Oh, this like warms my heart. That's the second one that I've smashed.